Introduction to User Input in Python.
Choose users to participate in interactive Python programs. By capturing information entered by the user, your code can respond in unique ways. Understanding how to read and use this input is essential for building everything from simple calculators to complex apps.
The input function explained.
The input function is the standard way to read user input in Python. When you use input, your program pauses and waits for the user to type something and press enter. The function then returns the text as a string, which you can store in a variable for further use.
Capturing and using input.
To capture input, assign the result of input parameter to a variable. For example, name equals input, enter your name. Now, whatever the user types will be saved in the variable name. You can use this value elsewhere in your program, such as printing a personalized message or performing calculations.
Converting input types.
By default, input returns a string, even if the user types a number. To use input as a number, like for math operations, you'll need to convert it. Use int for integers and float for decimals. For example, age equals int input, enter your age. This ensures the input is treated as a number.
Practical example and tips.
Suppose you want to add two numbers from user input. Get each number using input, convert them to integers, and then add. Number 1 equals int input, first number, number 2 equals int input, second number. Print number 1 plus number 2. Always provide clear prompts and check input for errors to make your programs user-friendly.